Let's add a balloon to their scene. We'll start by selecting the elliptical shape tool, making sure it's set to draw a path rather than the shape will draw a circle. And with the direct selection tool, grab one of the vertices of the circle and stretch it out to make balloon shape. And you'll get this warning. Just say OK, hit Command Enter or Ctrl Enter to turn this into a selection. Make a new layer, choose a mid-gray, and use Optional Alt and Backspace to fill it with that color. Use Free Transform to rotate it to the right angle to fit behind the girl's hand. Using the Burn tool, set 2 highlights at little darkness underneath. No need to switch the Dodge tool held Optional out because it temporarily, and we can add a highlight. Let's color it in using the Hue and Saturation adjustment. Set it to colorize, choose a yellow, and now up the saturation. But let's make it a little transparent. Load it as a selection by Command or Control clicking on the thumbnail. Switch to the background and make a new layer from that selection. We'll move that above the balloon layer and lower the opacity to just 30%. That's more or less how a balloon would look. But let's exaggerate the view. Load this layer as a selection and choose Filter, Distort Spheres, set it to 100%. And there's our girl blowing up a distorting balloon. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.